Looking to own a creative hands-on business in a fast-growing industry? Discover a well-known vehicle wrapping studio in Sacramento County with a strong reputation and clear potential for growth. Before we continue, be sure to subscribe so you never miss new opportunities and valuable business insights. This studio specializes in custom vehicle wraps, decals, chrome deletes, and branded installations for both personal and commercial clients. With in-house design services and expert installation, it offers complete concept-to-completion solutions for eye-catching transformations. In 2025, the business produced $140,000 in revenue through mid-April, with over $52,000 in discretionary earnings. In 2025, the business shifted from vehicle detailing to vehicle wraps, though retains the ability to provide both services. Historical revenues were significantly higher. However, vehicle wraps are continuing to grow and are expected to surpass past performance. The business operates from a versatile 2,771 square foot facility in an owner-occupied M1-zoned commercial building. It includes office space, a large warehouse, roll-up door access, updated lighting, HVAC, and epoxy flooring, creating a clean, functional, and scalable workspace. The property is also available for purchase with the business. The business has untapped potential through increased lead generation and outsourced installations. With low competition in the local market, it's primed for geographic and volume-based expansion, backed by a database of over 1,000 clients. Before we wrap up, be sure to subscribe so you never miss new opportunities and insights. Here's a quick recap. This reputable vehicle wrap studio offers custom design and installation with strong repeat business. With quality equipment, a skilled team, and clear growth potential, it's an ideal opportunity for a creative owner or marketing-savvy investor. Ready to learn more? Click the link in the description to see the asking price, review full listing details, and submit your confidentiality agreement online. To see all listings and services, visit www.tophatbusinessbrokers.com, your trusted partner for buying and selling businesses.